This is an ad from Mattel.
What's up, ZZ Squad? What are we doing today?
Hot Wheels Monster Truck Wreckin Raceway! Yay!
In this challenge, each person will choose their favorite food. There will be 5 rounds. The winner of each round will have the opportunity to run over their competitor's favorite food.
The person who wins the final round
Will receive their very own
Monster Truck Wreckin Raceway set, baby.
And don't forget the champion cup. Oh yeah.
Here are the obstacles for the Wreckin Raceway set.
Speed down the hill and crush the cars. Beware the crocs because they will eat you up alive. Yeah. Zip down the rickety bridge. There is an explosive cave to crash into in order to reveal the champion's cup. Losing truck and included announcer figure is sent flying when the cave explodes. As a family, we love watching the Hot Wheels Monster Truck series on YouTube. And now we can race them just like in the show with the Wreckin Raceway set. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Who's gonna get the champion cup?
Me!
Huh? You gonna get the champion cup? You gonna get the champion cup? You gonna get the champion cup? Well, we will see. Here we go, baby, let's go.
Yeah!
Okay, choose a number between 1 and 10. What's your number, ZZ Kid?
5.
5. What's your number?
3.
3. What's your number? 9. Okay, the number I chose was 6. So who goes first?
Yes, I do.
Okay, then Goo Goo Gaga, baby. So let's go. Here are the monster trucks that were used to race. Bigfoot, Raptor, Mega Rex, Gangster, Bear Devil. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Here we go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh!
First try!
First try, okay. The best out of 3 wins the round, baby. That's round 1. We got 2 more to go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Yeah! Oh! Yeah, baby.
Baby, I'm blue!
So we got 1 more try, baby. Let's set it up. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah!
You said nobody ruin your cupcakes? We're about to find out, baby. Here you go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! I'm sorry, dude. What kind of dance that? Chicken dance? Okay, ZZ Kid. So what are you running over, dude?
Peanut butter and jelly!
Yeah, let's go.
Okay guys, I'm excited. I can't wait to see what this is gonna be.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That was just exploded on the house.
That looks...
Dude, that was a big mess.
Exactly.
Dude, look at this big mess, dude. Dude, a big mess, and it splattered all over the house. All this jelly.
And on the finish chart.
I see. Look at that, dude. Wait a minute.
It's a peanut butter jelly house.
Up next is Gaga Baby and his monster truck, Gangster. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Gaga Baby, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna beat his toe so I can run over the business.
Okay, here we go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! Dude, yours got stuck at the bridge.
Chicken's messed up.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Here we go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, dude got stuck, dude. No. Well, that's a tie. That's a tie, dude. Y'all cheated, dude. That's a tie. Y'all got stuck right here. All right, guys. This is your final round, baby. Here we go. Go big. Dude, what you doing, dude? Dude, you cheated. We trying to cheat, Gaga, baby. Okay, are you guys ready now?
Yeah!
Gaga, baby, don't cheat, dude.
Yes, I can.
No, you better not cheat. Okay, here we go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! Nobody won, dude. That was a tie the second round. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! So you did win. Oh! No, his car wasn't hitting yours, dude.
You hit my, and then you Let's go! Boy, thank you, mister!
I didn't say anything about it.
What he said?
I just know he's just very excited.
Are you ready to run over the chips, dude?
Yeah, chips is nice.
Oh yeah, and it's gonna be smushed. You ready?
Yeah, it's gonna be like.
Oh, well, let's go.
Okay, Gaga baby, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's smash these chips, baby. Here go 3,
Okay,
2,
I get one on
let's see how this is gonna go.
1. Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Oh.
I did too. I thought they were gonna shoot out.
Dude, the chips didn't explode out, dude. I thought the chips gonna explode.
That just popped.
Yeah, just pop. There's a pop, 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 pop. Okay, now choose a number between 1 and 10. Google Mom have a number in your head, okay? All right, here you go. Choose a number between 1 and 10. What's your number, Google Gaga? 5. Okay, Gaga, what's your number, dude?
3.
3. Dun, 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 dun.
6.
6. What was the number, Google Mom?
8.
8.
Let's
okay,
go.
so you go, and what was your number 3? No, also you go and you guys go, okay? So Zizi Kid and Google Gaga. All right, here we go. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Go big.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
And I
It's a tie. It's a tie. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, dude, it's still a tie. Okay, so here go. Round 3. Whoever wins this round wins. Okay? Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! Zizi Kid win again, dude. Zizi Kid, are you ready to run over the jelly dude and the graham crackers?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, baby, let's go.
Okay, guys, I think this might be a big explosion.
Are you ready, Zizi Kid?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
It did just a little bit, not a whole lot. The Jello squirted out just a little bit.
Jello crackers.
Oh, look at that, dude.
Jello crackers.
Yeah, Jello crackers.
Jello crackers.
A big splat on the concrete.
You know why it's called Jello cracker? Because Jello crackers mixed together. Jello crackers.
Oh. Okay, Zizi Kid won the last round, baby. So now it's Gaga Baby's turn. Are you gonna win, dude?
Yeah, so I kicked him butt, so I won't get him again.
Okay, so you gonna try to get the champion cup?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh.
He gonna play.
Oh yeah. So who won that round? Zizi Kid won it. Okay. Good job, Zizi Kid. Do you win all the round, dude? You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, it's a tie. No, cause you gotta hit this dude.
And the wheels.
Yeah.
Just didn't pop, so nobody did.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the last round. Here you go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh.
Let's go. And I went and loser.
No, wait, that was a tie. They had one more round.
Here the last round, dude. Who's gonna win?
Me.
Who gonna get the champion cup?
Me.
We're about to find out. Here we go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, winner! Yeah. Yeah, he did get stuck in the alligator, dude. No, I think it's a crocodile. That's a crocodile, yeah. Okay, Gaga baby, are you ready to run over the cake, dude?
Yeah. Sweet strawberry cake.
Yeah, baby, let's run over this monster truck, Zizi Kids TV. Let's go. Okay, Gaga baby, are you ready to run over this cake, dude?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys, let's see how this cake is going to splatter.
2, 1, go.
Oh, that's it. It just was like.
Dude, it's no longer a cake anymore, dude. It's a pancake.
It said crispy.
Get it? Because it's in a pan and it's cake.
Pancake.
Bada bing.
Okay, now here's round 3. This time we're gonna add Google Mom. Are you ready, Google Mom?
Yes.
Are you ready, Google Mom?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good. Here you go.
Choose a number between 1 and 10. What's your 1?
5.
5.
8,
8.
7.
7. Okay, my number was 3.
Okay.
So okay, so you guys go. You go. Here we go.
Goo Gaga versus Gaga Baby. Who's looking at the champion cup?
Me.
We're about to find out. Here we go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, dude's a tie. Okay, guys, here's the second round, baby. Here we go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, dude, you win all the time, dude.
You laughed at but I.
Oh. All right, Gaga baby, do you want that round, dude? That mini round, dude? You ready? Oh. Here you go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh. Dude, you win all the time, dude. Huh?
This is rigged.
It's rigged? I don't think so, dude.
ZZ Kid versus Gaga Baby.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh. Dude, fail, dude. Nah, he ain't cheating, dude. Oh.
You will see me next time.
Are you guys ready for round 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh.
I tell you, won't see me again.
Boy, these kids are hilarious. Are you guys ready?
Yeah. Let the best man win.
All right, here you go. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh. Okay, so who won that one, Big Mom? ZZ Kid won. Good job, ZZ Kid. Yeah.
Rematch.
Nah, dude, there's no rematch. You say this is rigged? No, this ain't rigged, dude.
You will see me next time.
Okay. All right, ZZ Kid, do you run around, baby? So are you ready to run over these juice, dude?
Yeah, boy.
All right, let's go. Okay, are you ready, ZZ Kid?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it, baby.
Okay, guys. This juice is about to splatter all over the
Here we
place.
go. 3,
2.
2. Go!
That was cool. I thought it was going to spray this way, though.
That's what am I?
Oh, look at this big mess, dude. Dude. Yeah, one of them survived, dude. Just one, but the rest of them are trash. Okay, so up next is gonna be me versus Google Mom, baby, for round 4. Are you ready, Google Mom?
I'm ready.
Who think gonna win the champion cup?
Me, of course.
You think you gonna win the champion cup? Oh, no, I think I'm gonna win the champion cup.
Team Dad.
Team Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Team Mom.
Team Moms, Team Mom.
Team Mom right here.
Okay, Team Mama boys over here. And Team Dad over here. Are you ready, Mama?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
It's all right. I'm going to get him next round.
Ready, Google Mom?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh, Google Mom.
Yeah, Mom.
Google Mom, okay. You got
Google my brothers.
one more round. Okay, one more round.
One more round.
Okay, here we go. This is the last round.
And I'm going to win it.
Okay, she said she's gonna win. I think I'm gonna win.
All right.
Go, Google Ball.
Here we go. Go big.
Go Hot Wheels.
Oh.
I think Daddy Bear won.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's run on Google Mom stuff, baby. Let's go.
Hey. Not my applesauce.
Applesauce, little meat, applesauce.
3, 2, 1. That was splashy splash.
That splashed all on my face and my clothes.
Oh, look at this, dude. It's jelly and applesauce mixed, dude. It's splash. Dude, you got some applesauce on you, dude. Some jelly on you. You too, Google Mom.
I was behind
Like a
her.
little polka dot.
My round was getting behind her.
Yeah, I saw that, dude. Was that fun or what, guys?
Yeah!
So in ZZ Kids TV, everybody wins, baby. Yeah! Peace. Baby, baby.